Hello students, welcome to week 4 of Psych 2010, Psychology as a Science and Profession. This week we are really diving into psychology as a profession, so we're focusing on the Dunnen-Hallinan book this week, as well as writing your personal statements first draft. So just a quick rundown of what's going on this week. We have Dunnen-Hallinan chapters 2 and chapter 3. So read those in the Dunnen-Hallinan book. Hopefully by this time you do have your textbook because now we're in the actual book. And for the first half of the class, we're basically going to focus on this, which is basically the profession of psychology, how to get a job, the kinds of jobs, the kind of degrees, how to interview. Those kinds of skills are focused on in this book versus our Stanovich book kind of touches on that, but touches more on research specific things, like research in the field, a little bit more about research methods, while it's touching on the field of psychology in general. But this one is more this book specifically is, this is the right one. This book specifically is more about the profession of psychology and how to get a job. So with that, you'll read chapters 2 and 3 this week. For your assignment at the end of the week, actually I'll pull up the calendar too. So here we are in week 4. So as a reminder, September 13th is the last day to drop the class, any class, with a 100% refund. So if you're watching this, you're probably engaged in this class. This is really for students who just haven't done any work, basically, or realize that their schedule is going to be too hectic, things like that, and so need to drop a class. So make sure you do that before Tuesday of this week. With that, your discussion board's pretty similar to most weeks, and the assignment this week is your personal statements first draft, which we'll be talking about in the lecture videos this week. So jumping back to this page, so you will have your personal statement or basically the lecture about personal statements, how to write them, what they're about, how they are useful, as well as a lecture on chapters 2 and 3. So make sure you budget your time for those lectures. Your discussion board is about, assuming that I actually posted the right link before doing this. I thought I had. Okay, perfect. So yes, this is about the job of psychology. So after reading things in these books, so this discussion board is more focused on the book, the personal statement is focused on that personal statement lecture. So couple lectures, couple chapters, we're really diving into things this week, so the class is going to start picking up at this point. Be thinking about your the upcoming deadlines as well, so papers, things like that, and budgeting your time for those as you see all of your classes now in week 4 getting in the rhythm of that. So hopefully you've gotten in the rhythm for this class and know when to budget your time for this class. All right, well, I will see you in the discussion boards and as I am grading assignments as well.